You've just signed up for Coinbase, the crypto world is calling, and you're ready to dive in. But wait, there's one tiny little hurdle: ID verification. How long is this gonna take? I mean, you've got Bitcoin to buy, NFTs to mint, and maybe even a DeFi project to launch. So, let's cut to the chase. How long does Coinbase take to verify your ID? Now, I know what you're thinking. It's just an ID. How complicated can it be? Well, in the world of crypto, where security is paramount, verifying your identity is a crucial step. It's like getting a backstage pass to the crypto party. Without it, you're stuck outside, looking in. The main event: how long does it take? Okay, let's get to the meat of the matter. Typically, Coinbase aims to verify your ID within 10 minutes to 48 hours. That's the official line. But let's be real, we all know that things can take longer sometimes. There are a few factors that can influence how long your verification takes. The quality of your ID: make sure your ID is clear, not blurry, and all the information is readable. A bad quality photo can delay the process. Time of day: you might experience faster verification during off-peak hours. Coinbase workload: if there's a surge in new users, verification times might increase. Additional checks: in some cases, Coinbase might require additional verification steps, which can extend the process. Tips for faster verification. So, how can you speed things up? Here are a few tips. Use the Coinbase app. Uploading your ID through the app is often quicker than using the website. Ensure good lighting. Make sure your ID is well lit when taking a photo. Double-check your information. Ensure all details on your ID match the information you entered on Coinbase. What happens if it takes longer? If it's been more than 48 hours and you're still waiting, don't panic. Check your email for any updates or requests for additional information. If you still haven't heard anything, Coinbase support team is there to help. The importance of verification. While it might seem like a hassle, ID verification is essential for the security of your account. It protects you from fraud and helps maintain the integrity of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So, even though it might feel like an eternity, it's worth the wait. So, there you have it. While Coinbase aims for a quick turnaround time, there are factors that can influence how long it takes to verify your ID. By following these tips and staying patient, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the world of crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.